Why does your scanner show the P2180 engine code? What does it mean? P2180 is a diagnostic trouble code for system too rich off idle bank 2. The P2180 code means your vehicle's computer detected the air-fuel mixture is running too rich, too much fuel, not enough air, specifically on engine bank 2 at speeds above idling. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain the number 1 cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: clogged engine air filter, fuel system issues, faulty mass, airflow sensor, exhaust leaks, failing oxygen sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, Audi, Chevrolet, and Volvo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.